Are you making these financial mistakes without even realizing it? A few bad money habits could cost you thousands in the long run. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next 5 minutes, we'll break down the biggest financial mistakes people make and, most importantly, how you can avoid these mistakes. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Most people don't realize they're stuck in a financial trap, spending everything they earn without saving a dime. If you're one emergency away from being broke, it's time to change things up. Start by saving at least 20% of your income. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Mistake number 2. Ignoring an emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, or a medical bill shows up out of nowhere. If you don't have an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards or loans, digging yourself deeper into debt. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. Mistake number 3. Falling into debt traps. Credit cards, payday loans, buy now pay later schemes sounds convenient, right? But they come with insane interest rates. The best rule? If you can't afford to pay cash for it, you probably shouldn't buy it. Use credit wisely and always pay off your balance in full. Mistake number 4. Not investing early. Here's a harsh truth. Every year you don't invest, you're leaving free money on the table. Thanks to compound interest, investing even a small amount early beats investing a lot later. Start with index funds, real estate, or even just a high-yield savings account. Just start. Mistake number 5. Ignoring financial education. You wouldn't drive a car without learning how, so why handle money without financial education? Read books, follow finance experts, and most importantly, keep learning. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Now that you know these common financial mistakes, it's time to take action. Comment below which mistake you're avoiding from today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips.